massive. To I-81. Do we just go that way? Yeah, you know what? They put those signs there for a reason. Let's follow the signs to Interstate 81. And we'll take 81 back to the prime yard, rather than going through town again. Yeah, no, that was a very large complex, and I went to the wrong guard shack like 5 times. And then, no, so I went to like 4 different guards. Sorry, 1, 2, 3 different guards. And then the 4th window I went to was the correct window, but they didn't know that, and they sent me to a different window. So I wound up going to a total of 6 different check-in points before I finally got it done, which was at the place that I'd gone to 4th. So, yeah. Fun times, fun times. I need to get that shirt that Indiana Jack made that's like, it's just like, please, please customers, do signs. Why does that school bus not have red flashing lights? It should have red. Those were only the ambers, and it was letting a student off. That's not safe. Yeah, see, no red lights. Oh, those are the red lights, I think. They're just very amber red. That made me nervous, the kid walking up next to my truck. Maxwell. Ah! Ah! Feet, 1,300 feet.
450 feet ahead, turn around, then turn left.
Well, then how do you get to 81?
0.2 miles ahead, turn around.
This is what I get for following signs. Alright, what the heck? And there's a weight limit. No truck turnaround, no truck turnaround. So where's the truck turnaround? Hi there, I'm sorry to bother you. Do you mind if I use your parking lot to turn around? Fantastic. I'm just trying to follow the signs to 81, and there's a 10-ton weight limit on this road, so. Alright. Thank you.
This road is restricted. Always obey locally posted regulations.
I know. averted, and apparently we have to use the turnpike to get over to 81.
0.2 miles ahead, turn left on South Kaiser Avenue.
That's so ridiculous. Whatever, that's fine. It's fine. That's, so what we did there is we observed the weight limit and observed the property that the weight limit was posted at. And there was a trucking company there. I called the trucking company, got permission to turn around in their parking lot, and we got turned around. That is some on-the-fly problem solving you guys just got to see there. Oh. Terrifying. But this road, at
3
least.
miles ahead, merge left on I-476 South.
I know we are allowed on. Maybe there's no toll on 476 through town. That'd be nice. That'd be super nice. Nope, there's the toll plaza. All right, it's on the freeway, not. Oh man. Oh. Got my hopes up.
6.7 miles ahead, take exit 115 to ramp to Pennsylvania 315 South.
We are legal in the 12th hole, which is 41 feet, kingpin to rear axle. Nobody coming? Nobody coming, cool. Very gently forward, Maxwell. Yes, 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 come on, come on, come on. Oh, and there's suddenly a UPS guy. Oops. FedEx, whatever. Ah, it's alright, he's turning there. And a UPS guy. See, I knew there was a UPS guy. And a premonition of the UPS guy. Oh, Maxwell did not like that start. Oh, neat. Love's tanker. Empty. We must have a fuel up point down there somewhere. Jenkins! Township. Alright. So we need to get on 81 South. I've got us a parking spot reserved in Virginia.
250 feet ahead, keep right on Center Point Boulevard, then keep right.
That makes my life easier. I've got us a parking spot reserved in Virginia, 333 miles away.
500 feet ahead, turn right on ramp to Keystone Avenue.
Sorry, 333. I think I might have said 533. 333 miles away. And yeah, we're good.
Whoop. 0.2 miles ahead, proceed ahead as name changes to Pennsylvania 315 North, then turn left.
Alright, so I think this is the lane that turns left for trucks. Yes. Okay. destination, which is Walmart DC west of Houston, Texas. Yes, that Houston. Yes, Houston. So we're going to be doing Interstate 81 all the way to where it meets up with Interstate 40. We'll follow 40 a short distance and then hop on 75 down to Chattanooga. From Chattanooga, we take a different interstate whose number I forget because I've never driven on it before. It's like 59 or 50 something. Alrighty, folks, we are parked. We are at the Pilot in Raphine, Virginia, where I got my reserved spot. We are in the reserved spot. It was still waiting for me when I got here, which I know that's what reserved spots mean, but that's not always the case, unfortunately. Sometimes you get people that are like, well, there's an empty reserved spot, I'm just going to park in it without paying. Then you get here at midnight and all the spots are full. And it's like, we've run into that situation twice before. But one time I was told by the manager who didn't want to have a confrontation, I was told by them to just park illegally in a fire lane and that they wouldn't care. Sure, whatever. I just need to park. And they refunded my, they refunded the cost of the parking spot. And then the other time it was, the manager just went out and made a truck move, so. It was actually in Aurora just a couple weeks ago. Aurora, Oregon. Got Mr. Sinclair. Hey, buddy. Yeah, we're parked. I'll see you guys tomorrow. My name is Ellie O'Dara, AzarAngel17 on Twitch, Xbox Live, and Steam. Drop in, say hi. Let me know if you enjoy the videos by clicking like, subscribe, or leaving comments, because comments are awesome and I do read them all. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Oh, Twitter, Ellie O'Dara, no apostrophe. Be there. Or be on Facebook, I guess. I don't really know anymore.